Here is a triangle ABC. I'd like to construct the midpoints of its three sides, so I'll tap the Midpoint tool. A preview appears of a segment and its midpoint. The segment is glowing. Tap or drag to place it. I'll attach it to side AB of my triangle by tapping AB. The tool is complete. I've constructed the midpoint of segment AB. Now I'll construct the midpoints of the remaining two sides of the triangle. To keep the Midpoint tool active, I'll double tap the tool. I'll tap BC to construct its midpoint, and then tap AC to construct the remaining midpoint. Now that I'm done, I'll tap X to cancel this next midpoint. I've just constructed the three midpoints of triangle ABC.